Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Xero account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your Stripe account from your Xero account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Stripe account from your Xero account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you end up getting chargebacks through Stripe. So maybe you'd rather just not accept credit cards and remove the Stripe option from your invoices. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Xero dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Xero account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove the Stripe account from your Xero account, go ahead and click on your company name here on the top left. Once you've done that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to make sure you're working in the correct organization or company if you have more than one. I just have one right here. So as long as you're working in the right company, go ahead and click on settings. Once you do that, you're going to see these two drop-down menus, and you want to click here on payment services. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see more information about your Stripe account in Xero. However, in order to disconnect it, go ahead and click up here on the top. There's a button here called Manage Connected Services. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see the Stripe account that you have connected to your Xero, and you want to click here on this blue button here called Edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up right here. And in order to disconnect your Stripe account from Xero, look towards the bottom. There's a blue button here called Remove Stripe from this Xero organization. Okay, next the warning pops up saying that you're about to remove the Stripe account from this Xero account. They do let you know that if you remove this Stripe account from your Xero account, you cannot add it again. You would only be able to add a new Stripe account. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on here, this confirmation button, and then go ahead and click on remove. I'm not going to do that because I still use this Stripe account with my Xero account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Stripe account from your Xero account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.